How to enable legacy components in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to activate DirectPlay for compatibility with older games and software. First, right-click on the Start menu. After that, click on Run. From there, type appwiz.cpl, then press Enter. At this point, click on Turn Windows Features On or Off in the left sidebar. In the next step, scroll down and find Legacy Components in the list. Following this, click on the small arrow next to it to expand the category. Once done, check the box next to DirectPlay. From here, click OK to confirm. At this stage, Windows will now search for the required files and apply the changes. Keep in mind, this feature is mainly needed for older PC games released before 2008 that specifically require DirectPlay for network communication. Finally, click Restart if prompted, since restarting ensures the change is fully applied. And that's it. If this guide helped you enable legacy components in Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.